Thank you very much. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation at sa inyong lahat. At higit sa lahat, gusto ko namin magpasalamat sa aming mga legit governors. Alam niyo naman na medyo mabigat yung mga pinagdaanan namin itong mga nakaraang taon. At itong pagdating ng ganitong award galing sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial ay parang kumbaga sa tuyo ang lupa ay may umulan at nagbigay ng ulan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Bossing! Bossing!
Maraming salamat. Thank you muna sa lahat sa Panginoon Diyos. Salamat. At sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, maraming salamat. Muling recognition. Alam niyo kasi medyo suki na ako rito. Marami-rami na rin akong recognition na natanggap. Pero ito na yata ang pinakamasarap. Sa sobrang sarap ito, pag uwi ko mamaya, ilalaga ako, kakainin ko. Thank you very much. And I would like, again, to dedicate this award na ito, itong recognition na ito sa mga mahal ko sa buhay, sa aking mga anak, sa aking asawa, at higit sa lahat, sa mga fans.
Yay! Love you, Bossing!
Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Simula na yung gabi ito, parang kalimutan na natin ang salamat. Okay? Uumpisahan po natin ang salamat. Salamat. Para mga Indonesian, Malaysian, mga Malay. Salamat. Ang salamat sa kanila, welcome, happy, congratulations, parang aloha kung mga sa Hawaii. At saka napansin ko po, pag binaliktad niyo yung salamat, tamales, ang sarap. Okay? So, isang masarap na salamat sa inyo lahat. Ito, kami, ito sa pagkain. Salamat, we love you. Maraming salamat po.
Special award that recognizes the efforts of our public servants who were able to change the lives of our less privileged kababayans.
Yes, for his long line of achievements in the field of government and public service, running almost 5 decades of outstanding leadership and service to his people of Bulacan. His worthwhile projects and programs have helped improve the quality of life of the people he has served. Our outstanding public service awardee, former Governor of Bulacan, Joselito Andrew Rojas Mendoza.
Presenting the plaque of recognition for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Rene Samaniego.
Is a very powerful lady and her very inspiring segments, which have touched almost every Filipino and their homes. The most popular television program in the field of news and public affairs. Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Patrick Henry Malolo.
Program host, Ms. Jessica Soho, of course, all the staff and crew of KMJS. Maraming salamat po sa pagkilala ito. Special po itong award na natanggap namin from Guillermo dahil this year po, we will be celebrating our 20th year. Maraming salamat po. At asahan po ninyo na patuloy po kaming gagawa ng makabuluhang kwentong makakapagpabago sa buhay ng maraming Pilipino. Thank you very much.
Stopped with the country's hottest celebrities never failed to awaken that Marites spirit in all of us. But mind you, he is one of the best and wittiest television hosts in the country. The most popular television program, talk show, Fast Talk with Boy Abu.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Gerald Melandres. And to accept the award is Mr. Senedy Kim.
Salamat po ni Kuya Boy Abunda ng GMA Network at ang buong team ng Fast Talk. Ipinarangal ko pong tagapin award ito bilang kanilang creative consultant ng programa. Maraming salamat po.
We have top 100 people surveyed and know ang pinaka-paborito mong game show sa Pilipinas. And the top answer is our next awardee, the most popular television program in the field of reality, talent search, and game, Family Feud.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Raymond Mendoza.
Once again, as the creative consultant of Family Feud, I'm very proud to accept this award on behalf of our host, Ding Dong Dantes, GMA Network at ang buong team ng Family Feud. Kami pinagpapasalamat na bukod sa mga pelikula ay patuloy pa rin nanonood ang mga Pilipino ng mga television shows, lalo ng game show like Family Feud. Maraming salamat po.